This is my review of the HIDALIFE door lock with combination. It's amazing because you can operate it at night. All you gotta do is tap the screen, wakes her up, and you can put in the code and pound, which is, I'm gonna show you my code because I got a lot of gold in my room, like DuckTales. So yeah, auto locks in 5 seconds or less. This is beautiful looking. Take in consideration uses AAA batteries. Make sure you buy the right batteries. And the first time I ordered, I received defective or used, I think, because the screws would not screw in. They were like stripped or defective. But I reordered and the package was open too, so I'm assuming it was used. But I reordered like a replacement, and this one's flawless. It came close and it went in like butter. The installation took me about less than 20 minutes, and programming too. Highly recommend.
All right, got this thing installed, and I will be uninstalling it. I'm not happy with this. Type in my code here. Then we have to type in the hashtag key, whatever you want to call it, and then it opens. No big deal. That's all well and good, but the thing that we do not like at all is that there is no way to keep this thing unlocked from the inside. Now, there is a way you can go into your programming code and press 0 6 times, then press the number 6, and then it's unlocked, and you don't have to use the code to get in and out. But you know, we park in our garage. That we use. This is a keypad on our garage, and sometimes we like to unlock the door and bring stuff in, like groceries from our car, and leave it unlocked. And there's no quick way to do that on here. So our last one had a little knob over here that you can just unlock or lock it from the inside. This does not have that. So other than that, it would be a pretty nice nice knob, but we can't have that. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to uninstall this.
Deadbolt. However, this is the battery compartment, so this black thing slides off, and so it's easy to change the batteries. My other doorknob was a pain. I had to take it apart. Sorry it's so dark out here, but this is the keypad. So when you hit it to light it up, you can hit it anywhere. You just type in your... So if you listen, the beeps are really low. So that's the noise it makes, and you're able to unlock the door. You got a few seconds before it relocks.
Item is described and works and performs flawlessly. I am glad that in their descriptions they placed the dimensions, because this is my third attempt at replacing mine, because as you can see, my deadbolt lock does not give a whole lot of room on the back side for the battery packs. Works flawlessly. 5 stars.
So I got the new HIDALIFE electronic lock installed today. It's working really well. There was one question I had before I purchased it, and I couldn't find it anywhere. How easy is it to change the battery in it? Because some of them you have to take off completely to do it. And this one, you just pop the cover off. And it's a little plastic cover. And that's it.